needs to be styled. So I'll be taking you on how you can, after you wash your wig, let's say you buy a wig, be it from us or anywhere else, and you want to restyle your wig after you wash it, particularly to straighten it, like to get that silky bone straight look. Here is the video for you. So we are going to be turning this wig into this wig, looking so bouncy, flowy, nice, sexy, you know. But anyways, without further ado, let's head straight into the video. Hey fine babes, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see from the title of the video, we're going to be turning our wig, our old wig, new wig, whichever wig you have, but this one particularly, this is our Kim unit. She's on our website, you can shop. Okay, it's been over a year since we had her, so today I'm just going to show you how I revamped it. It was washed and I styled it to make it look like this from that. So yeah girl. And also, just to let you all know, happy new year. By the time you're seeing this video, it's new year already, so happy new year. And it's start of 2024. I pray that, you know, whatever it is you think you did not or were not able to achieve in 2023, that's okay. As long as there's life, there's hope. As long as you have breath, you know, your today, your tomorrow particularly will be better than your yesterday. So all I can say is, every plan you make for this year, whatever plan it is, don't forget to bring it at the tabernacle. Tabernacle is the foot of God. Bring it at the footstool of God, whatever plan it is, because whoever builds their house without God builds it in vain. If you get it, you get it. Don't get it, forget about it. But anyways, so whatever plan it is that you have for the month, for the year, as we begin this year, your goals, your vision boards, all them good stuff, don't forget to include God in your plans. Long story short, so happy new year once more. And yeah, and it just okay ladies, so of course, to better straighten your wig, it might be needed. If you need it, you need a mannequin head, a tripod stand, just to make sure you get the wigs very every tracks. But you can as well do it on your head if you don't have all this. Preferably you will need a mannequin head and a tripod stand to begin with. And also you're going to need a hot comb. You're going to need a hot comb to help create that flat looking effect, you know, because our wigs are not going to be looking humpy dumpy, okay? And then you're going to need a wax stick. You're going to need a wax stick to tame all these flyaways, you see. And also you're going to need the star of the show, which is going to be a flat iron. And as you can see, this flat iron is actually from our brand, Wicklistic D. It is really good. Like, everyone that has gotten this flat iron can tell you it is 10%. Sorry, can tell you it's 100% guarantee. And I've had this for more than a year now. Like, literally, you have seen me using this hot comb. If you go to my previous videos, 1 year back when I just had this wig, same hot comb, okay? And next, you're going to need a hair serum. This is to help add shine, luster, without making the hair feel heavy. And you know, we're not using hair oil. If you go to my previous video, I have a 5-week maintenance, like a video that tells you about my favorite wig product, and this is an OG for me. So you will need this bio silk, And last but not the least, this is just extra, which I use. It's a Shine of the Time High Gloss Hair Mist. It just adds shine to your hair, but you can do without it, you cannot do without it. Like, it's personal preference, okay? So without further ado, let's head straight into the video. First, I'm going to go ahead and add my hair serum. Okay, it's better to add little as you go than to put too much, okay? Because the more you, like, if you start with so much and it's looking like so greasy, there's no way you can take it out. But when you start small, you can always build it up as you go. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my wax stick. Apply. And use my hot comb. It's pretty good. Now let's go ahead and start straightening our wig. Pat your hand to 2. So there you go, okay? And I know some people ask, do you use heat protectant spray? Do you use any extra product on your wigs? I personally don't, because I don't want anything that weighs on my wigs. I don't need any heat protectant because everything I use is doesn't cause any damage. So I don't really need a heat protectant for my wigs. But if you want to use it, by all means you can go ahead and use one. So you take smaller section at a time. So you want to start small sections because you want the heat to be evenly distributed throughout the wig. Start with small section, work your way down. See, only with one pass, see how straight it is. You can go again. Take your time, okay? No rush. Nothing good happens in a rush. Okay? Continue with smaller sections. See, as I'm taking my time. And I'm only using 2 passes to get the wig looking this straight. See that? Yes, I do it, and
unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, yeah. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me among. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Unjust, you good. It's done just you good. It's done just yeah, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. I so blame me among. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, we do. There go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get it wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me. Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just yeah, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. I so blame me among. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up.
So we have come to the end of this video, and thank you for the love, the support, and we have reached 500 subscribers. Thank you all so much. It's not easy, but I pray this year we get to be very consistent. And leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. Leave us a comment down below and tell us the kind of videos you would love for us to make. Our goal is just to provide the best quality the best quality of content, provide whatever it is that we're able to do to bring education, life, fun, you know. List it down in the comment section and we'll gladly do that for you. And also, since we're starting the new month, I've come up with a plan whereby anybody that is from our YouTube community, our YouTube fan babes, we always have a 10% discount in this month of January. So the code is going to be Jan24. No, hashtag Jan24, sorry. The code is going to be hashtag Jan24, and you can put it and get 10% off in any week purchases down below. Our website is linked in the description box down below, or it's www.weeklystickd.com or weeklystickd.com, whichever one, and you can get 10% off any purchase you make. Okay, so without further rambling, baby girls, baby boos, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope it was very helpful. And yeah, thank you, and have a good, blessed week ahead, month ahead, whenever you get to see this video. Bye.
There go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take